Hey, what up, y'all? It's your boy Scoob, and welcome to Spider's Diecast. Thank you for spending some time with me, because I got some more stuff coming in. Well, a couple more things have already came in this morning. Um, Glad that, hopefully you enjoyed those two Ferraris from GFCC last night. Posted that one pretty late. I just wanted to get that one up real quick. But this right here, this is my 56 Chevy from Larry's Garage from Hot Wheels. Let me zoom out just a little bit. And there's the Larry's Garage right there. And the feature vehicle for today's video. Now let's zoom right on back in. Alright, that just about does it. Now, well, before we crack it, there's all these other cars in the set. This is from 2009, which means that it probably was came out around 2010, something like that. Larry Wood signature and the old Hot Wheels Collectors.com website and logo. Pretty awesome. And they got this logo that looks like that they now use as the treasure hunt logo. That's pretty interesting. Yeah, these were the cars that came out of the set made for Larry Wood, the legendary designer from Hot Wheels. And he's very well revered if you're new to the hobby. Let's turn that on. And yeah, this is what I needed right here, because I love my Tri-5 Chevys. Now usually, most of what you see, on this channel is mostly like exotics, Euro cars, a little JDM. But I still like my domestics. Yeah, it just depends on, what I go for. But, stuff like this, it'll definitely, go in the collection every single time. Because I do like my classic cars, too. Some people, they don't think, I'm into, the American cars. But trust me, I got something for that ass. So yeah, I got some more coming in, some more Tri-5s. Love it in this gold with the white two-tone. Looks great. And it's a pearl white too. And these wheels are very fitting for it. I really like the low stance on it, and as the case with all of my Tri-5s, I like it without the B pillar. I just think it may not be safer, but it just looks so much better. To me, it don't look quite as square, quite as upright. You might argue about the rollover protection, but I'd say this, if you worrying about rolling over in this car, you going way too goddamn fast. So yeah, not too much to go over. Got like a white interior, metal base with real riders, as we already, went over. So yeah, nothing, no painted headlights or tail lights. But yeah, the car still looks pretty good. If you really wanted to, you could paint those lights yourself if you really wanted to. But they'll paint the door handles for some reason. I find that to be kind of, you know what I'm saying. Got a nice steering wheel in there. I give them that. So yeah, that really just about does it for this video right here. Just another quickie, but another banger nonetheless. So I'd say thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. Subscribe if you hadn't already. The option is always available. Or if you would like to, watch a few more videos before you finally take the plunge, that's also encouraged as well. And also leave a like and share this video to other people that you know who are searching for quality diecast content. And before I bounce, I just want to, show off the other thing I got in the mail today. Yeah, y'all know what's up. But I'm just going to leave that as a surprise for tomorrow's video. It is a JDM piece, but I'm just going to surprise y'all with it. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So really, I'm just going to get my butt on out of here, and I'll see y'all later. Have a good one.